Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Tuts, and in this video I'm gonna share with you a review. This video is all about a review and Google Chat review. This is the popular app by Google LLC. So just check about this app. Okay, here you can see 4.5 rating. So when we get some app, then the app is more than 4.2 or more than 4 ratings, then we consider that this app is really good. And 108k reviews, it means 108,000 people say something about this app. And this app size 30 MB megabytes, so it's small, you can use this. And 10 million people already downloaded this app. Okay, so we will see about the app. So I'm just gonna click about the app, then I'll see when this app release. Here you can see release on February 28 2018. Okay, and they update it a daily basis. So they update it and they listen user voice. So we'll go to review and ratings, then you can see the 5-star ratings. Okay, we'll see the short review. Great app, but why can't I delete a post or edit it? I came here to see if I needed to update the app. I have reached out to support and have received no response. I have attempted to black out the unwanted information, but that did not work. So there is a problem. They say it's a really good app, but if you send something, then you will not edit or delete that message. So this is the problem. I'm enjoying this app, but the problem now is that I can't tap in the picture sent to me or the one I sent. It keeps on telling me to install latest version of Drive, and I don't know what to do because all my apps are up to date. So super light and works fantastic. The best part is the spaces feature to have groups, also excellent for work. Okay, it's all about good. So now we'll check the negative reviews, what people say about bad things about this app. Okay, we will see first one, Adam Grima. This is so much worse than Hangout. No read received for groups. Can only attach one photo at a time. When I sharing to chat my frequent contacts, I never near to top when selecting who to share with. Have scroll down to find the person I talk to every one day. Can't even YouTube links in the latest version. Okay. New reviews January 2023 is still 1 star. US, you can share multiple photos now, and the notification usually work now, so that's good. But this app devours my battery, continuously refreshing itself, and most importantly, it frequently takes multiple seconds to send a message. That's just one line of text. My internet connection is extremely fast, and yet somehow my simple text chat message sometimes sit on the limit in the sending state. Okay, you'll see here some bad reviews, but overall it's good because this is really light and it's not heavy apps, so it's really good. You can use this app. Okay friend, today's no more, and thank you for watching this video.